Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Zoey if you are new here, and today I am going to be doing a full face of first impressions on all of Betsey Johnson's new makeup. I'm so excited. 16-year-old Zoey would be freaking out because I've been obsessed with Betsey Johnson and in love with Betsey Johnson for a very long time. With anything from like her handbags to her shoes to her jewelry and her watches, everything Betsey Johnson. I love Betsey Johnson. I always have. She definitely holds a really special place in my heart because it was definitely one of the first like real brands that I actually fell in love with. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you all of her new makeup that she just came out with and also her new perfume that she just launched as well. So I hope you guys are excited for this video and ready to see me play with some new makeup. Also, thank you to fragrance.com for sending me all of this. This was sent to me for free. It's not sponsored at all or anything like that. I promise I'm not being paid to talk about this or anything like that. If you want to follow me on any social medias, Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter, those will all be linked in the description below, so check out the description for that information. I am still currently doing the 25 Days of Christmas. Also, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Join our little family and help us grow. And yeah, I don't think I have anything else to mention right now. If you want to see how to get this makeup look using all Betsey Johnson makeup, then just keep watching. All right, so this video is going to be a full face of first impressions. So I'm going to be using all of this new Betsey Johnson makeup. There is more. I'm sorry if you can hear it rattling. I like took all the plastic inserts out, but there is more stuff. We're gonna go ahead and just get started. I'm gonna start with my eyes. I'm gonna prime my eyes with some concealer first, but we are gonna start off with the palette. This is the packaging for the palette. I love her packaging. It's always so bold and creative and girly and just fun. And then you open it up and this is what the palette looks like. Super adorable. Has everything on the back. And this is the Blend It Babe eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, I have played with some colors. If you follow me on Instagram, the whole pink look I did on my Instagram yesterday was all using this palette right here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with color Cork. The shade right here, it's just like a medium brown. Anyways, it's just like a really nice medium brown shade it's just kind of an essential color. But as you can see, these shadows are pigmented. There is a little bit of kick up in the pan, but not crazy. Like, you're not gonna lose your product super fast. But I'm just gonna pack this on the outer corner and kind of round it to my eye. I'm not gonna bring it in all the way. I'm gonna bring it in like 2/3 of the way. All right, the next shade I'm gonna go in with is Musk, and it's this really light, cool toned brown shade right here. Just another really good transition shade. It's just going to be a nice shade to blend this color out with, and I'm going to start blending this out on the edges. Alright, next I'm going to go in with the shade Frisky right here. It's just a really dark brown shade. It kind of has a purpley undertone, and I'm going to pack this on right underneath the Quartz shade just to deepen up this crease and give it some more dimension. And I'm packing it on with a pencil brush because I want this to be nice and concentrated. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the lid shade and pack this on everywhere. I'm gonna show you what shade I'm using. I'm gonna use the shade Goldie. The shade right here, it's like a coppery gold. I'm gonna show you how it performs without any setting spray. Then I'll show you how it performs with the setting spray, because these colors, the shimmers in here, are really good. I was very surprised how well the shimmers performed. Like, do you see that? Wow. No setting spray or anything. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush with some setting spray though. I just want this to pop a little bit more. I'm just gonna go back in with this blending brush right here and kind of blend this transition over a little bit. Alright, I'm going to go in with a little bit of punk right here and just kind of deepen up the outer corners. Okay, I didn't like the black. The black literally, like once I blended it out, it just kind of blended into nothing. I don't like the black. Actually, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's almost black, but not quite. From the Jaclyn Hill palette, and trying to build this up on this edge right here, just to make it a little bit darker and deeper. Now, Betsey Johnson did come out with like a lash, like a mascara, but it's like a duo. I'll show you. It's called the Lush Lash. This is the box for it. And you pull it out and it has like a fiber and a mascara. But I'll probably use both on my lower lashes, but right now I'm going to put on a lash because she did come out with some falsies. So I'm not going to do both steps right now. I'm just going to do a light coat of this mascara. This is a volume mascara. That's all it says. This is a volume mascara, Betsey Johnson, and then it says 1 and 3, so you know that this is step 1 and 3. This is what the brush looks like. It's really big and fat, so I do think this will be good for volume, but we are just going to do one coat. So this is what the falsies box looks like. It just says Betsey Johnson falsies on it. So this is what the lashes look like. The only thing that threw me off was that it didn't have a name for each lash, so each lash doesn't have like a separate name, and I think it's only sold in a bundle. It's not sold separately, so you can't get each lash separately, but I do like them. They are, in my opinion, they would be more like really good daytime lashes. I kind of went a little bit dramatic when I shouldn't have. I should have done a more daytime look to wear these lashes, but I'm still gonna wear them. I'm gonna go in with this pair right here. So the lashes are on. This is what they look like. They are really pretty, but I would definitely wear them more daytime look with them because they're a little bit more wispy and like spread out, but they are really pretty. They're nice and curly and fluffy and just really pretty, and the band was really thin, so they're really easy to put on and manipulate and stuff to your eye. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation and my concealer and powder really quickly off camera because she doesn't have any of those face products, so I'm gonna go ahead and do like all my face products off camera, and then I'll come back to finish up the look with you guys. Alright, so I am back with all my powders on. I did apply my blush and contour because she doesn't have those items. Okay, so she does have these highlighter sticks. They're called the Sparkle Plenty. They come with 2 different cream highlights. Looks like this. There they are on the back of my hand. I don't even know if you can like really tell the color. Here's the pink one, and then here's the champagne one. But I'm gonna go in with the gold one. I'm gonna go in with my finger and just kind of pat this on as a base for, oh wow. Wow, okay, never mind. That actually looks really pretty on the cheekbone. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the actual highlights. So this is the Sparkle Hard highlighter, and it does come with a brush. That's why the case is so big. So it looks like this. It comes with a brush. I honestly would not use this as a highlighter brush, so I'm not gonna use this as a highlighter. This would be more of like a bronzer brush or a powder brush or even a blush brush for me. It's just too fluffy to be a highlight brush for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my everyday highlighting brush, which is the Morphe M510. And then this is the highlighter. Again, it doesn't have a name on it. It just says highlighter, powder compact. This is what it looks like. The packaging is super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight with this. Ooh. Wow, oh, okay. All right, she didn't come to play, okay? Wow. Wow, this highlight is so pretty. Obsessed. It's very, very pigmented. So if you like more of a natural highlight, this is not for you. This is a very reflective, like beaming kind of highlight. So if you're not into that, then this probably isn't the best highlight for you. But if you are into blinding highlights, then this one is gorgeous. All right, now we're gonna go in with the lip. So there are so many lip options for this makeup look that she came out with, but there are 2 sets of liquid lipsticks. They both have 3 different liquid lipsticks inside of them, and then she also has a lip gloss set. So it comes with 3 lip glosses, but they are duo-sided. So technically there's 6 lip glosses. The lip glosses are called Sparkle On Down. These sets are called the Lip Love sets. So one of the sets comes with these 3 shades right here, a red, a pink, and then like a mauve-y, like berry color. They're very, very pretty. I'll give you guys swatches because I'm not gonna try every single lip on. The names are super cute. The red is Betsey, XOX is the pink, and then Cartwheel is the berry purple. All right, and then there is a second set of 3 liquid lipsticks, and they are all nudes. There's a really nice light nude, a brown nude, and then a mauve nude. So there's the light peachy nude, and it is in the shade Champagne. Here is the brown nude, and this is in the shade Girlfriend. And then here is the last one. This one is more mauve-y and kind of like a dusty rose kind of color. But this is in the shade Malibu, so pretty. All right, and then there are the lip glosses. So this is what they look like. They are double-ended. So here are all the glosses. I don't really know if you can see the shifts in them, but these 2 right here on the end have chunky glitter in them, whereas this one on the end is more of a sheen and like more holographic. But those are all the glosses right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with, you guessed it, brown sugar, of course. All right, and then for the lip color, I'm gonna go in with Girlfriend, which is the more brownish nude. And then I'm gonna go in with Champagne, just right in the center. The liquid lipstick is really nice. The consistency is really, really thin. It kind of reminds me of the way Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipsticks feel at first, but when it dries down, it feels more like Ofra's liquid lipsticks, whereas it doesn't feel like there's anything on your lips. It doesn't feel drying or anything like that. The liquid lipsticks are really, really nice. I really like the formula the liquid lipsticks have. Like, they're very, very comfortable. That is the entire makeup look with all of the new Betsey Johnson cosmetics. And I really like almost everything that I used. I will say in the palette, the darker shades were, they didn't blend really well. They were pigmented, but they just didn't blend really well. They got kind of patchy, this dark brown and then the black. Those are the only 2 shades that really gave me a lot of trouble with blending and stuff. The only product I want to mention to you guys that I didn't mention while getting ready is this new perfume, the Pretty in Punk perfume. It smells so good. The box is absolutely adorable and it's huge. I think it's like a 3.4 ounce. Yeah, it's a 3.4 ounce. Look at this bottle. This bottle is gorgeous. I don't know if you can tell, but on camera or anything, but it is like faux leather. It's definitely sweet, but it's got a tiny bit of spice to it, and it's not sweet like vanilla or like cupcakes or something, or candy. It almost has like a sour smell to it. I will leave a link to all of the products down in the description below. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this full face of first impressions. All right, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.